So everybody, it's the year 2018, and I received a strange request yesterday. A client has old documents that they need to recover from a 3.5-inch floppy drive. So I had to ask around town. Managed to find this from someone. Just need to see whether it's actually working. So luckily I still have my insanely old Windows XP boot disk marked very clearly don't delete, because these were already really scarce like 500 years ago. So time to see whether this actually works. Plugged in, there we go. System is detecting it, floppy disk drive A. Let's see what happens when I actually insert this puppy. Is something actually happening? Lights on, there's some reading taking place. Windows is loading the drive, and there you can see the Windows XP boot files. So this has been successful.